Hey guys, right now I'm on top of Krannert. It's a concert hall at the University of Illinois. Um, yeah, it's a 40 something degree kind of day today, and it's about the warmest as it's gonna get, so I thought I'd do a flight test today of prototype 001. So yeah, have my plane right here in a box, and yeah, let's do some flying. All right, so this is our plane, and we're gonna flight test it today. 3, 2, 1. Whoops, a little bit too high. I'm trying not to kill it today. Let's try that again. All right. So it seems like it has some pitch issues. I might just put down the flaps a little bit and try this again. Let's make some changes. So I've been testing this indoors, and so the elevators have been kind of pointed up. So now I'm gonna try to reduce the elevators. Hopefully that changes things. If not, I can always reduce the flaps. But I think, actually, you know what? I'll just do it right now. Change this. Yeah. Let's try this again. 3, 2, 1. Okay, it has pitch issues. Let's see. Well, if it's gonna do that, then might as well do some high altitude launches. That's what we're gonna do. 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Flew right past me. Alright, let's go again. 3, 2, 1. Nice. So it looks like it's better for high angle launches than normal straight flight. So when I tested this indoors, it flew perfectly horizontally and nicely. But obviously outdoors, you can go higher speeds, and when you go faster, the tail pushes down more. So it's gonna pull up faster, and so it's more suited for these kind of high angle launches outside. All right, let's do some more flights. 3, 2, 1. I don't know if that flight was captured on camera. I accidentally toggled the lock button on my iPhone, so yeah, let's do a couple more flights. 2, 1. Oh, that was rough. Let's give it more elevator so that doesn't happen again. All right. Let's pump this up a little bit. Pump this up a little bit. I don't know how this will be. As you can see, it's not a very strong structure. It's starting to buckle. The skin is trying to, it's starting to wear down. That's all right. This is a rapid prototype, and we're gonna fly it until it dies. Hopefully I can just toss it out by then. Who knows? I don't know. All right, let's fly it. 3, 2, 1. Oh, that was rough. All right. Ooh, exposure. So I've put the flaps down on the right side a little bit, on this side, so that it doesn't, veer off to one side when it, gets launched. And I think we'll do a couple more flights with this configuration. All right, let's throw this thing. 3, 2, 1. Oh, still a little bit struggling to pull out at the dive. So it goes up pretty nicely, but it fails to pull out of that dive, and the nose is kind of bent now, so that's not good. But let's keep on flying. 3, 2, 1. Oh, I was kind of into a spiral there. Let's try a different angle. The wind is coming in from over there, so maybe that's the problem. If we go to the side, we might be able to pull into the wind. Who knows? At this point, I'm just experimenting, so I don't really know what's gonna happen. All right, 3, 2, 1. Hey. All right, so it looks like it's not flying straight. It's rotating too much. It's going into spirals. I feel like it's the flaps on the wings. Let's put this down. It feels like it's banking to this side a lot more. So reduce this or increase this flap angle. Let's try this again. All right, 3, 2, 1. Where is it? Oh shoot. Well, there goes our plane. Flew over the roof. Let's see if I can find it here. I think I can. Somewhere on the street. Yep, it's gone. It's on the roof now. Well, there you have it, guys. Not as I intended it to go, but yeah, that's one way to get rid of a plane. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this test flight, and hopefully I can bring more content to you guys with different planes. I'm going to be rapid prototyping, so thanks for watching. 3, 2, 1. Whoa. 3, 2, 1. Three, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.